Alright, what is up, YouTube? I am back with another sneaker review, and this time I got a really special one. Finally, another collaboration in the house, and one by Concepts, part of the Message to the Universe pack that they did in March. And I took L's on the. I think I even said it in my podcast and stuff, but I took L's on the mellow and the heavy. Heavy one got completely robbed from me. Like, I literally had it, like some zip code shit I was trying to ship to the US. But this pair. The Far Out pair I was able to cop on Concepts on that day, on Air Max Day actually, and this was a Concepts exclusive pair, and they went all out. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you probably already know kind of how what they included and stuff. But I'm gonna show you a deep look at it because I'm gonna show everything I have. And yeah, I absolutely love these. They weren't initially my favorite out of the pack, but they have become one of my favorites out of it all and stuff. And just let me know down below now, honestly, let me know which one was your favorite pair out of the entire pack and stuff. So but anyways, there's a lot to unpack, guys. I don't want to waste any time, and guys, let's start with the exterior box. Alright, so here's the exterior box that came with. I don't have a sneaker that actually came with like a box in a box, and that's exactly what they did. If you wanted, actually, if you bought these in store in Boston, obviously that's where Concepts operates out of. There was like this pink box, which was really dope and stuff, but all the online orders, they got this one, and it's all based on like a tour bus. And this entire like collaboration is based on like the 60s music festivals, Woodstock, and just the details of it all is just like absolutely incredible. I'm gonna try and say what I've learned about it, but if there's any details, guys, let me know down in the comments that I might have missed and what I might not know. I would love to know that. Just constantly love to learn about these things because there's so much inspiration with these. But the exterior box, you kind of got it's kind of got like Concepts written in. It's kind of like hippie print, and then Concepts Forever, I believe that's what it says. And you got all types of colors here, which is so nice, man. Just like very colorful, man. If you like the like rainbow colors and shit, man, these are nice. You also got like kind of like the tour bus. You see like the front of it, and you got like the lights and stuff, all the different colors, which is so freaking dope. What a cool idea, like for them to actually execute. Then on one of the sides here, you kind of got like clear mind, fresh, maximize, and you got flowers similar to something you'd see on Takashi Murakami's stuff. And you got the wheels there as well. See like the side of the bus. The other side of the bus has more windows, and you got like a moon, you got a heart, you got some bunnies, and you got life and love Concepts. You got the Concepts, even heart there as well. It is really cool. Just like the attention to detail is crazy. On the bottom, you kind of got a bunch of like kind of swervy, something that you see like when you're in space or something like that. Super nice as well. The other side, which is the back of the bus, and you got kind of the back window, you got some bunnies in there, and you got which is my favorite detail of this box. You got the Mass Concepts license plate, which is really cool. I love like, man, just the details are just nuts, man. They did not have to do this. They didn't have to, but they did it anyways. And Nike gave them the freedom to. Shout out to them as well. And the inside of the box, it kind of opens like this, like kind of like that, and like you can't like kind of change it, but kind of you got this like loopy design right over here, and then you kind of got the rest of it. It's kind of on the bottom of the box as well. But yeah, that's pretty much inside of the box, guys. Also inside of this, there's a ton of accessories and stuff. I'm just gonna kind of go through them. So anyways, you got like 4 stickers it comes with. You got like this one that has like Concepts, like writing with like orange and green. I'm all gonna put these all over my sneaker boxes and stuff, so excited about that. We also have this like, oh, I love orange, my favorite color. 2 shades of orange. Concepts, like similar to something like Thrasher would do, which is nice as well. Then you got kind of this like rose with concepts there as well. Tons of different colors. Then lastly, you kind of got like the peace sign going on here. Fades from purple to green, with concepts kind of written in there as well. Just they did not have to do this with the stickers, which was really nice, and they threw in 4, which was awesome. There's also a rain poncho. So a big thing obviously with music festivals and stuff. I actually haven't been to one yet. Now like this really makes me want to, but a big thing is it rains a lot and stuff. It gets dirty and stuff, so it's good to have a poncho, and they added one in there, which is just, I think it was just more the symbolism of it. But if you want to use a Concepts Nike rain poncho, resale value must be through the roof on this. But yeah, something funny. You kind of got like the Concepts kind of peace sign there with the orange and red kind of like citrusy look. And you got also an air freshener. That is like so cool as well. You kind of got Concepts in this red at the top, and then you got kind of like that same sticker with the fading purple and green as the air freshener. So just super nice touch. You know what I mean? I guess like freshen your car and stuff, and just something nice that they added in there. Sorry guys, I forgot to include the coasters that came with it as well. They're super nice. It comes in this nice casing, and then you got like a side A, side B. Reminds me of Scorpion from Drake and stuff with that, and just super cool. It looked like little mini records. And then lastly of the accessories, you got kind of this bandana. It's in this kind of like green and purple writing with white. It is just really nice. It's kind of got it's got love or confusion 1969. Haha, 69, you know. But it's really nice, really well done and stuff. Cool bandana. I might hang this up or something like that on like a free wall space that I have. And yeah, just really nice stuff, guys. I love when brands do this. It's just to go above and beyond to make it feel like you're obviously getting something special and stuff. And because I know so many times you kind of see like celebrities getting all these really cool friends or family packages when it comes to stuff, and like we don't get anything, and we're the paying customer. It's not like celebrities need more free stuff. So guess the rich get richer, right? But it also came with 2 sets of laces they threw in here as well. You kind of got this like very velvety red pair, which a shout out to them on this one. This one is really nice. I might have to switch this. And then you got kind of this regular nice white. Still nice material as well. Just in that classic white if you want to go with that. Can't go wrong there. But anyways, guys, we're not done with the box yet. Let's show off the actual box that's came with all the other pairs. All right, so one of the coolest boxes I've ever seen. Like initially when I saw these when the other pairs were coming out, it was super cool. You got kind of reminds me of like Murakami hit like a Air Max 1 box. That's what it feels like, and it's just really cool. And you kind of got like this like blacked out most of it, right? Then you got all this kind of like design here. Like I said, it reminds me of Takashi Murakami, really. Like all different types of like kind of print on there. Got concepts in there as well. And it's kind of like a very like glossy print on there. Like it's not no fucking shit that's gonna come off. So just crazy. Like it's almost like sticky, like the box, because they kind of like printed that on a certain way. You also got the Nike logo in this like floral print, which is a really nice touch as well. And then you got the concepts, this really nice writing, kind of like very 60s-esque, super nice across the other side of the box. Then the same across this side, but you got kind of like those moon and star and slash signs, which were found on the original Woodstock ticket, and there's more actually of those found on the shoe, but I will show the ticket after. Then also this side's got concepts, a little bit of that floral print coming off the side of the front logo, right over there. It's focusing, there we go. And then the tag, we got Nike Air Max 1 SP Wild Violet Multicolor Sale. And I got these in a size 13, made in China. So no suggested retail price on here. These did cost a lot more than their other pairs because of all this stuff they added in there and stuff. I think it was like $230 US, I think. But the other ones were like like maybe like 180 or something. So big price up, but you know what, justifiably so. But anyways, guys, you know what time it is. It's time for the sneakers and the Concepts Air Max 1 Far Out. Alright, so immediately if you grab these in hand, you feel the quality on these. And I'm so excited to talk to you all about these. These are awesome. And they did specifically say that no pair will be the same. Because of all this denim print that they've used, there's not every pair will be like literally specifically identical. So if you're one of those guys that's always like looking and stuff, like it's not everybody's gonna be exactly the same. And I think that's really cool and stuff. But let's focus on one of them here. There's also another accessory that's been put on here. You got kind of like the guitar pick, but like the other two pairs had the same one, but we got a special one on here. Got this kind of like dyed like teal, and you got Concepts in white right over here. It's super dope. And then you got Nike, the old Nike with the yellow in there as well on the other side. Cool, really cool. I actually want to keep this on the stick. Usually I don't keep them, but I might keep that one. Just it's so cool, like the guitar pick, right? Like at a music festival with a band and stuff. Very cool touch. So I don't know where to start with this. Like there's so much details on here. But let's start with the this side of the sneaker. Got kind of the Nike swoosh is in this like kind of got some different like color stripes. You got a little bit of blue, green, and you got like a sailish, which is super nice on the swoosh. I like this side the best. Creeping off the heel of the sneaker, you got kind of like this like green kind of look there. And then you got this like purple big layer here that's got kind of Nike logos. You got all that type of like print there, which is really nice that they kind of like they layered it that way. And also like the air bubble, you can see like a lot of times like when you go to a music festival, a lot of times it gets dirty. Like your sneakers are gonna get fucked up, right? And like you can tell there's like some dirt and sand that they put on there on the air bubble, and then even on the rest of the midsole, which is like what a nice touch, guys. Like that is like incredible. Just like attention to detail, like it's unbelievable, man. And then on this side of the sneaker, you also have like this kind of like cheetah print that's just like a little spot right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's super nice. I love that. Like anything like animal. I really hope it's not from a cheetah. I don't think it is, but it is cool nonetheless. Makes it look really nice. Then you got obviously this like very light denim, and I love light denim. It's like that light blue and stuff that they decided to use on this. That was like a huge decision in me getting that. And so you see those the from the ticket, the moon, star, and the slash, which I'll have up here the Woodstock ticket back in the 60s. But what we found out after during this release, when I picked it up, that each drop, the website, which they obviously did a secret domain release to really help like the bot protection, that each one had to do with this. Like the website name had to do with these symbols and stuff, and guessing it with that. Like I think one of them ended up being like Star 96 Concepts. For this one, people caught on to it eventually, and they did a last minute switch, which still had to do with it, just to make sure the bots didn't get to it. So much love to Concepts for that. And then you got also the laces. These laces is like a very it's almost like an infrared kind of look there, which is really nice as well, guys. Love that. And then you got kind of the tongue is my favorite part of the sneaker, which is kind of funny to say. You got the Nike Concepts right over there, which is a really nice logo. But it's like, I believe they said there was like a sticker on here that I peeled off originally, but I believe it was like pig leather or something like that. And you can feel it, like it is so plush, and it's just really good quality. They really went all out for this. And you got made in China on this side. And then also on this side of the sneaker, you also have this floral print on the swoosh rather than the stripes. which was really nice. All different types of flower colors there. And then on the heel, you got Nike Air, and then in that white, which is like not too visible, but you got Concepts kind of wrapping up the top. If you can see that right there, Concepts. And it also has this like frayed material here, which I really like. And like I have the Union Dunk pistachios, and those had that kind of ripstop, kind of like messy material, and that's kind of in right now. So I like that they did that as well with that. Just kind of like, it just gives it like just a unique look. And then also more of that kind of like dirt look on the bottom of that, of the heel midsole. And then the inside's finished on the inside of the sneaker. You got like my size 13. They got made in China. These were made, I believe, in the fall to November 5th as well. And then kind of the insoles are in like this kind of like almost like it's another print, right? And you got like a predominantly blue, yellow, purple, and white, which I don't know if you can really see that too well, but it is out there as well. And you got kind of Concepts logo right at the bottom. Two of them different actually. They're both different, as you can. It's tough to show on camera, but they're there. And then also the outsole, which is really nice. It's like this like sail tan outsole, regular Air Max 1 though, but it is super nice. I love that touch. Like it's amazing. Kind of like if you're in the dirt and the music festival, just dirt is this kind of type of color, kind of, right? So just really nice and stuff. I love this sneaker, man. The guys, this is so nice. Like it might be one of my favorite sneakers already in my collection. Just the quality, you can just feel it on feet as well. It is just crazy. In terms of sizing, guys, if you want to know with these, they fit like any other Air Max 1. In terms of my foot, my foot's very wide, so I do go size 13, which is about, I'm like a true 12.5 in Nike, so I go up that extra half size. But I would half size up. You have like a wide foot, you could probably go true size, but that's my that's what I did, guys. But anyways, guys, I also did it on feet on at my house, and we can check it out now. But anyways, guys, that's my review of the Concepts Far Out pair of Air Max 1s. Guys, this was fantastic. I loved it. Shout out to Concepts. Anybody from them was watching, we really appreciate you. You guys did a fantastic job with your sneakers. You put so much thought and love into them, and just the inspiration and everything and how they came out. I'm sure y'all are super happy how it was received and stuff, and how much hype it got. And I'm super grateful for y'all for me doing this. And hopefully, guys, do more collaborations, please. Like, if you put this much like heart and soul into it, we got some great projects coming up, I would think. So, but anyways, guys, let me know down below what you think of these sneakers. Did you pick them up, or did you pick them up via resale? The actual cops, because it was just Concepts, so you had to get them in store or on the site that day. So you didn't really have much options. And what box do you prefer, the pink one or this one? Which was your favorite pair out of the pack? I know I said it earlier, but if you didn't comment, let me know down below. Was it the mellow, the heavy, Far Out? Tell me them in order, whatever you want. Love to hear what you think. And don't forget, if you enjoyed the review, to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell down below as well. Appreciate you guys as always for tuning in, and more sneaker reviews up on the channel soon. And guys, I know this was a long one, but I appreciate y'all if you stuck around this long. And thanks for tuning into my review of the Concepts Nike Air Max 1 Far Out review. I'll see y'all in the next one. Take it easy.